Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to discuss on the way that you can save a dying CBO campaign from a certain death.
Staying alive.
I need to clarify that this is a desperate solution, okay? This is not a solution that you will do every single time and it's going to work, but sometimes it's working for me, and instead of losing the whole campaign, you end up maintaining the campaign, which at least for me, working with multiple campaigns and an ecosystem of campaign average results and all of that, it's very important. I have videos in this channel, especially for ASC, advanced shopping campaigns, where I'm analyzing that I don't like to toss creatives inside a working campaign. And the reason is very simple, is because a lot of times people don't have the filter and they just toss creatives, or they create a problem where you shouldn't have a problem. My first and only rule that I follow all the time is that if something is working on Meta, don't touch it. So I don't touch it and I just do another campaign with my other creatives. Now, there's one exception to the rule. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my Facebook ads course. It took me 6 months of video editing everything and 3 months of video shooting. And because of that, I have created the best Facebook ad course in the world. Inside, you're going to find super advanced information, but information also for beginners. It takes you by the hand in order to teach you how to do Facebook ads from the beginner level to super advanced level. It has inside Loom videos from cost caps, speed caps, Loom videos from CBO, ASC optimization. It has chosen 5 sessions, inner circle sessions, and it has a lot of theory with whiteboard, also strategies that are working all of these years, things that I have developed, things that I know that are working because I have spent millions and millions on the platform. Currently, I'm spending between 5 and 10 million every month, sometimes it's even more, across 30 accounts, and I have access to many more. So I know what is currently working and all the latest trends, and this is what I'm doing inside the course. I'm showing you live ad accounts with real spend and what is working right now. And if you want, you can click the link below, you can go and you can check some videos that I have open free for you so that you can check if you like the course or not and decide if you want to buy it or not. I will see you there. If a campaign is dying, okay, so you are having the data in a campaign, you're running it for 8 months. It has data and all of that, and it's a campaign that if you maintain it, it's going to be good for the ad account and all of that, but it's dying. It has 2 or 3 weeks that it has very bad ROAS and it's hurting you on the average results. What can you do? You know, instead of losing it, you can try one last trick, tossing inside new creatives. So if it's a CBO, you can go inside this campaign that has data, go inside the ad sets and change all of the ads. So if you're having 3 to 5 ads, find 3 new 5 ads, for example, go and close the existing ads on the ad sets that are still active on the CBO campaign if you optimized it, and toss inside the new ads. If you're going to do something like that, you need to be sure that these ads are going to have the same angle as the previous ones. For example, if you're having ads that are talking about grandmothers and about pains on the joints, you're not going to now introduce inside their creatives that they're talking about young people that they have pains on the joints because they are running on the marathon, for example, which is completely different angle. You're going to follow the same angle. Why? Because the hot pockets that have been formed and the assets that you're having there, they have been formed with specific people. If we believe that Meta optimizes with one person, then next person, the hot pocket that has been formed over there from the previous creatives, it was a hot pocket that is for specific type of people. So if you toss inside different creatives, these other people are not going to resonate with the hot pocket that has been formed from the other creatives that they were there initially, and you're going to fail. So if you want to have good chances with that, and if you want to do the last colpo grosso, as we call it, and you want to save a campaign, maybe you can do another set of creatives, maybe even similar creatives, maybe even take the creative that has worked the best over there in this campaign that is dying and actually make 5 variations out of it with different hooks and maybe by rearranging the videos inside. And by doing that, you're tossing inside the same angle and you're trying to save your campaign. It has worked for me several times. Some other times it hasn't worked, but still, instead of you just deciding to close the campaign, maybe this is the last move that you can take and do in order for you to save a campaign, but maybe it's going to be valuable for your ad account. Remember, you are going to replace your ads, not your ad sets. Your ad sets have already been optimized. We need them. We need to replace only the ads. In any case, if you want to learn more, you can check my book, my course, where we're discussing beginner stuff for theory, and we have also advanced stuff like CBO optimization and other things, or things like that, I remember now the Usain Bolt effect, for example, on how to use creatives that they haven't taken budget, for example, on other campaigns, and many, many more. You can check below the testimonials from people that they have completed and how much they liked it. After all, I call it the best Facebook ads course in the world, and I'm really proud of it. And you can check also, I have a free link because I really believe in the product and the course. And I want you to go do the free course and decide if you want to buy it or not. I believe that you will take value even from the free course. Don't forget that I have also my mentorship programs as we go towards the Q4. There are not going to be any spots left, but send me a message and maybe we'll find a solution. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.